Hello, Fox. This time, winter or rainy season is about to start in Costa Rica. So I'm walking in a nice place where I can't forget about the city and the people. But, the problem is, can you hear this noise? Estoy ya acercándonos al invierno y vengo aquí a este lugar a estar tranquilo y sin embargo este ruido, ¿no? So, what do you think about this noise? Can you relax with all this noise? All these insects beeping, beep, 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 beep. I want you guys to listen to it. In the end, it's a funny thing that is happening. Probably that happens when they're about to mate. I'm not good about that, but I'm here in the countryside, and I really love the noise. I cannot see them, but they're somewhere out there. If you see them, let me know. Ya está a punto de tronar y aquí están. Se escuchan, pero no se ven. A ver si ustedes los pueden ver.